In this video, we'll take a look at the new features introduced in AOPA GO version 1.3. This version adds downloadable terminal procedures, FAA-published airport diagrams, a document library, and single-button updates for all databases and documents. Let's explore these helpful improvements. Just like we provide in the AOPA Airports directory on our website, you can now download terminal procedures and FAA airport diagrams in AOPA GO for use even without an internet connection. To download procedures, click on the Downloads Library icon on the home screen. There are now two additional download options: Instrument Procedures and Document Library. More on the Document Library a little later in the video. Tapping on Instrument Procedures will reveal a list of states and territories. Tap in the box next to each state or territory that you wish to download. There is a download size listed below each state name that indicates how large the file will be that is being downloaded. Since some states can be quite large, we recommend that you download procedures when connected to Wi-Fi rather than when using cellular data, since charges or data caps may apply. Any selections you make on this screen will be remembered, and you will receive update notifications when new procedures are available. In addition, if you use AOPA GO on multiple devices, the same selections will be automatically set for you on all of your devices. Click the Download Selected button to begin the download process. To view the downloaded procedures and airport diagrams after the downloads are complete, go to the Airport section of AOPA GO. Select an airport and view the Details page. Scroll down to the Procedures section of the page and click on the associated blue text link that lists the procedure types that are available. This will display a list of all procedures for that airport and also include an airport diagram if the FAA publishes one for this airport. In this list, you will also notice a printer icon next to each procedure or diagram. Tapping on this icon will allow you to send that procedure to any printer that supports printing from mobile devices. Tap on any procedure to open the page. You can use typical gestures to zoom and scroll the page. Quickly double tapping with a single finger will zoom into full size or zoom out to fit the screen. A print button is also included in this view for printing the document. To return to the list, click on the Close button at the top for iOS users, or use the Device Back button for Android users. If you have not previously downloaded the procedures for a state, and you click on the Procedures link in the Airport Details page, a message will ask you if you want to download the procedures for that entire state. If you click Download, the download will begin and the progress meter will be displayed while still on the Airport Details page. This state will be added to your preferences, and you will receive updates when they are published. To remove a state and all of the downloaded files, simply uncheck the state from the list in the Downloads library. A message will be shown letting you know that all the files will be removed from your device. The other new download option introduced in this version is the Document Library. This library has a collection of helpful documents and quick reference guides that can be downloaded and saved in AOPA GO for use even when offline. We will continue to add new documents to this library as time goes on and plan on enhancing the library to allow for user-uploaded documents as well. To select documents from the library for downloading, select the Downloads library from the home screen. Then choose Document Library to see a list of available documents. As with the terminal procedures, tap in the box next to the desired document and then use the Download Selected button at the bottom to begin the download process. If updates are made available for any of the documents you have downloaded from the library, a notification badge will be displayed on the home screen alerting you to available updates. To view the documents after the download is complete, return to the Downloads Library main screen and click on the Library tab at the bottom. This will show a list of any documents you have downloaded. Select a document to view it, and use common gestures for zooming in and zooming out, the same with procedures and diagrams. Any of the documents can also be sent to printers that support mobile device printing. The last new feature we have added to version 1.3 is the ability to update all databases and documents using a single button. This eliminates the need to wait for one download to complete before starting the next. The Update All button is located at the bottom of the Downloads Library main screen. On smaller displays, you may have to scroll down a little to see it. Tapping the button will begin the process and download all documents that have updates available. If the button is dimmed, then no updates are needed at this time. In addition, you can also use the Cancel All button if you need to postpone the updates to a more convenient time. Individual updates can still be done by using one of the dedicated download or update buttons that are associated with each download option. This makes it convenient when you only want to download specific documents or databases and update the rest at a later time. We hope you find these improvements useful and stay tuned for more enhancements to AOPA Go. Thanks for watching.